Welcome, guys. So, you are new to trading. This is the first time you are coming across, trading, what trading is all about. So, you are in the right place because today I'm just going to talk straight concerning what Forex is all about for the beginners. So, you are a beginner and you want to know what Forex is all about. You are in the right place, guys. So, we will dive in and we will discuss some of the things you have to know. All right. So, the first thing now, I know what prompted you to join forex trading the morning first. Now you see forex traders, they plot chart, this one and that, and sometimes you get confused. Now, whatever you are going to learn is going to be based on what you are seeing. All these charts you are seeing, these are called candles, and these candles that you are seeing here are people, right? People that are always selling and buying, selling and buying. That is why you are seeing that there is red, there is green. So let's dive in where you understand all these things right from the scratch. So the effect is, what is Forex, right? What is Forex? Now, Forex is simply put as the global financial market that allows one to trade cryptocurrency. So you can see that, right? A global market. So Forex is not like, just like what people say, is like the few Forex is a scam. It's not a scam. It's a global financial market. Like, people are constantly trading. When we mean by trade, when you go to the market and you are asking to buy something, that is trade. You are giving someone your money and you are buying something. The same thing with Forex. When you are trading, you are saying, what, I want to buy this or I want to sell this. You get to make profit, right? That is Forex. So a global financial market that enables you to trade currencies. So what is traded is not food, it is currencies, right? Currencies. That is the money of other countries, the country's money. Now, naira can be traded, dollar can be traded, yuan can be traded. Hope you get that, right? So you have to understand this scope, right, of how this whole thing works. The website here is babypips.com. So most of you have to do the work of going to read everything one after the other in order to understand more. But I'm just going to tell you the major thing. So what is traded in forex is currencies. Currencies are traded, right? So an exchange rate is the relative price of two currencies from two different countries. So when you hear exchange rate, now when you want to trade, let me show you an example here. Now, if you can see on my screen here, let me show you. Now, what I'm currently trading right now is, what I'm currently trading here right now is GBP USD. Hope you guys can see. What I'm trading here is GBP USD. You see, this is GBP USD. Let me show the screen where, so you guys will understand. You see this thing here, this is GBP USD. That means the Great British Pounds against the United States dollar. These are two countries, United Kingdom against United States, that is trading their currencies, their money, trading one country money against the other. What am I trading? Maybe I can say, you know what, I want to buy the GBP. I'm automatically saying that, you know what, I want to buy GBP, meaning that in 1 or 2 days or in the next week to come, United Kingdom currency economy is going to be better than the United States. And what will make me to know is by what I'm seeing here, which is the chart, the analysis I do, and some certain factors I consider. That is what will enable me to say the right thing. So you hope you understand that. So the currencies is what is traded. An exchange rate is the difference between one currency and the other, right? So the abbreviation for forex is known as FX. FX, FX, right? Is the largest financial market in the world. So once you hear forex, you hear FX. That is their abbreviation. Now, how much is traded in the forex market? You can see the forex exchange market, right? Like almost $6.6 trillion is traded daily. Now, this is the amount of money that is traded in the forex market daily. $6.6 trillion. This is not small thing. That is why you can make huge amount of money from the forex market as long as you are a good trader. You can make any amount. Forget naira. Like, you can make any amount you want to make in quote, as long as you are a very good forex traders. That is one thing you have to know. So that is from that part. Yeah, so you at least you understand that aspect of what we mean by uh, forex. So what is traded in forex, you are supposed to know by now. I'm going to rush everything. What is traded in forex, you are supposed to know that by now, right? You are supposed to know that by now. What is traded in forex? By just looking at this, you already know what is traded in forex, the chart, right? You already know what is traded in forex by looking at the chart. You know that currencies of various countries are what is traded. The currencies of various countries are the stuffs that are traded in forex, right? So you tend to buy one country currency against another country currency. That's just the easiest part of this, right? And I'm going to drop link on how to just go and do your own reading when it comes to forex, right? So when we talked about that one, you know that one, currencies are what is traded in the forex market. You have to know that. Yes. Then when we talk about currencies, we tend to have the different kind of currencies we tend to have, right? We have major currencies, we have minor currencies, we have lot of currencies in the world, in the forex market, almost like three, right? And so you have to do your study on how to get done with this, right? So you know that currencies is traded is what we trade, and this currencies is what is referred to as money, right? So what are the currencies, the major currencies, right? Major currencies, what are the major currencies? Major currencies are what these let me go to the top while you are seeing on the screen. What are major currencies, right? The major currencies, right? So they are called major currency because they are the most heavily traded currency. So the major currencies are currencies that are mostly traded by forex traders. Example: USD, United States dollar; CAD, Canadian dollar; GBP, Great British Britain pound. This is what I'm saying. If you see these two pairs I'm trading now, GBP slash USD, these are major currencies because USD, United States dollar, is there, GBP is also there, right? So you can see. Then EUR, European Euro, is also another great one that is traded in the forex market also. You tend to have the Japanese yen. So I'm not going to list everything. You just have to do your own research on them. But these are the major pairs, major currencies we have: three, four, five, six, seven, eight, eight major currencies. Then what are the minor what? What are the minor currencies, right? Those the minor. So so we already know that. So the major currency USD, these are the major currencies, right? So there are eight major currencies that we know majorly. So you have to read those things yourself. Then the minor currencies, right? They are the ones that are also less traded, right? But the major currencies are more traded. So don't complicate things. The only thing you need to know, you have to know the theoretical part of trading. But after then, the practical aspect is what can really make you to become a professional traders in quote, right? So you should just try as much as possible to know most of these terminologies. That is just all you have to know. So that whenever you are trading something, you will just know, this is the particular stuff I'm trading. You understand? That is just the importance of those things we are talking about, right? You have to read them up, know most of the stuff, what they are into, and so on. I think it is going to be very, very helpful on the long run. So after that, let's see what we can touch, which is uh, buying and selling. So in cryptocurrency, you have to know that everything is just all about buying and selling, right? Whenever you see a trader, is either the trader is buying or is either is selling that particular pairs. And when you see something like GBP USD, like as you are seeing on the screen, when you buy, you are automatically saying what? You are automatically buying GBP, right? Great Britain pounds, right? You are buying, telling them that the currency is going to have more value than the United States dollar, right? In the long run. So that means you are buying GBP and selling USD, right? The same vice versa. So when you sell, you are saying what? USD is going to have more value than for that period of time. Most of these things are determined by these candles you are seeing here right now, right? Most of these candles are what determine how you will tell when what will happen to the price of a particular country, the economy of a particular country, except if there is a news, right, to back it up. But to become more professionals, you really have to be updated with news, right? And there are websites you can use for news to keep yourself updated, right? So forex trading is just buying of one currency and selling of another, just like what I've explained. When you see that, when I do my analysis, this is the 4 hour time frame. There's what we call analysis. Analysis is like you looking at this chart and telling yourself, you know what, yeah, let's see, let me show you what I mean. When I draw something like this, right, I'm telling you that they are um let's keep it simple because you guys are beginners. When I do something like this, I'm automatically telling you that they are sellers. Yeah, yeah, sorry, yeah, are buyers. Buyers are the people that are telling the market, want to buy to send it up. Sellers are the people telling the market that we want to sell, bring it down. You get the point. That is why whenever you see this candles, which I said are people, just keep it simple that way. You see that there's always red and green. You understand? The red are the sellers, the green are the buyers, right? So you will see that when I'm saying that, this place, they are buyers, price, they are buyers here, they were able to put this price to this level. Now, sellers brought the price down again to this level. They are buyers already, so they will also try and the buyers will come again and push the price up. You understand? So they are trying to push the price back to this level. If they push back to this level, if the buyers are not strong, the sellers can overcome them, then it will not break out, retest, and then continue downward. But if they are also strong, it will still push the price up. Just keep it simple that way. Don't complicate things here, right? So it's all about buying and selling. People are always buying here, some are selling here, buying here, selling here. You understand? So the trading is all about buying and selling, buying and selling. You get the point. People sold here, and then when it came down to this place, people also bought here to send it up. You understand? So if you observe, that means automatically, yeah, they are sellers. That place, they are sellers. And when price came to that level, when price came to that level, when price came to this level, right, they are sellers here, they put the price. When the price went to that level again, they push the price down again. It has gotten here again, they want to push the price down again. You can see how it was. So it's all about buying and selling. That is what you have to understand. So for example, like for the, let's use for example like the USD against the dollar, just like what I'm doing here now, the GBP against United States dollar, that is the example, right? That means it's either you buy uh, EUR, right, against the USD, you understand, or you sell. So we have to really know that. Then when we talk about currency pairs, right, currency pairs is like when you are trading, whenever you trade two currencies, and those are pairs. That is pairs. That is, you have like this. What I'm doing here now, I have GBP, which is one country currency, and I have USD, another country currency. Together they become pairs. You get, right? So that is the meaning. So you can read that up. You can read that up. So we have three types of currency pairs: the major pairs, the crosses, and the exotic, right? So you know the majors already from the major currencies, right? Yes. So the major currencies, the major pairs, not currencies now. The major pairs are the pairs that have USD. So when I mean by USD, that means what I'm trading here now, GBP against USD, is a what? It's a major pairs. But when I say GBP, let me say GBP against maybe JPY, GBP against Japanese yen, that is not a major pair. You get the point, right? So we have to note that any currency you are trading that is having USD is a major pair, right? You get the point. So you have to know that the major pairs are the most liquid in the world. That means there's a lot of liquidity. People are really trading it. That's just the most important thing, right? They are really trading it. So it can be more rewarding and also can be high risk, right? Yes, and also can be high risk. Then what are also minor pairs? That is one thing we have to know. Those one that does not have, or that does not have USD. So you can see anyone that does not have USD, it becomes minors. So you can also, you guys can also do the work by going through this whole stuff. So you already know what is currencies, what is pairs. You understand. The next video will talk more on how you tend to trade these things, right? And we also have time to talk about pips, lot size, how to determine the right lot size for your trade, for the kind of trade you want to enter, and so on and so forth. These things are very easy. You just have to put in the work, because in one way or the other, they are just the best. So there are a lot of courses out here that you can also try and go through. The course outline are always here, right? So you have to do the more work of, carrying out your own part of assignment, going through study more and more if you want to be perfect in this trading joining. It's all about work, and you have to know that the time you put in, the more rewarding is going to be. So I'm going to be showing you guys, now that you have known currency pairs, because looking at here, this is currency pairs you are seeing. I'm trading GBP now against USD, meaning the Great British Pound against United States dollar. And whenever I say buy GBP, I'm saying what? I'm saying that GBP, I'm saying the Great British Pound will have more, will be more powerful than the USD for that moment, right? The economy is going to grow more for that particular time, right? And what you are seeing on my screen, this red, green, is buy and sell. We tell you that the way to trade is just buy and sell. What is traded in Forex market is money, and this money are currencies, right? This money are currencies. You should not confuse yourself in that. Then how do you know how to buy and sell? Is by looking at these candles. By looking at these candles, you know when to buy, when to sell. Simple, except you want to complicate things. But looking at this candle alone tells you when to buy and when to sell. So in other videos, I'm going to take time and teach you guys how you can start drawing this your charts, the necessary app you need. Yes, before I go, the necessary app you need to have tradingview.com. You can download it as an app on your phone, or you go to the website, create an account to be seeing seeing the currencies and knowing how to do your analysis. Then you can download MetaTrader. Yes, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. Yes, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So you can download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 4 or 5. So you can do that on your Play Store or your Apple Store. Everything is just on your phone. So you guys have to do the part of, of doing your own part of the work if you know you want this to be good for you guys in trading. If you want to be perfect in trading, you have to put in the work, guys. So that is it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, guys. See you in the next videos. Thank you, guys.